Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pristine Blue EnzyPure. The Pristine Blue EnzyPure product is a liquid formula that is a proprietary blend of biodegradable and environmentally friendly enzymes that are designed to be compatible with all pool, spa, and hot tub treatment programs. This enzyme formula will help consume contaminants in the water that are naturally unfilterable, such as body oils, suntan lotion, cosmetics, and other inorganic materials. EnzyPure will leave your water clean, clear, and soft. The biodegradable enzymes naturally aid in the removal of excess phosphates that act as food for algae. This product does not contain cyanuric acid, and the continued use of this product has shown a reduction of pool and spa cyanuric acid levels. Product benefits: compatible with all sanitizers and treatment programs, reduces maintenance and extends filter life, clarifies both pool and spa water, 4-in-1 multi-purpose cleaner. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.